Hi, this is Linda Matthews, and welcome to another creative journaling video for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make several creative journaling layouts using printables that I've designed specifically to help beginners get started with creative journaling. Using these printables makes it easy to get started with creative journaling because you don't have to worry about what type of images or ephemera to use to create lovely layouts. It's all included on these pages. You can find the link to these printables in the description below. This set of printables has the theme The Universe Guides and includes a page of clip art, some printable papers, and some positive affirmations. You have more than enough clip art to make the two layouts that I'm going to show you, plus you'll have leftovers that you can use to create additional unique layouts. I scaled this clip art page to print at 90% because I'm using a small journal, and scaling it down reduces the size of the clip art so it looks better on the small pages. You can find a link showing you how to scale your prints in the description below. Once you've printed out the pages onto good quality copy paper, cut out all the clip art, design your layouts, and then glue all the pieces in place.